Hi, my name is Jess Gates, and I'm a senior graphic designer at Takeform. Today I'm walking you through what a typical day looks like for a designer here at Takeform. I spend a lot of time during the day working with different departments. So we might start off with a call with an account manager, our programming team, possibly an engineer. From there, that sort of kicks off the design. Some days we might spend more time looking at finished product, QCing things. One thing that's really unique about Takeform is all of our departments are under the same roof as well as our production line. So I actually can see what I'm working on come right off the line. We have a huge group of designers. We use all of our product lines to come up with really unique solutions for our clients. So we always feel like we're doing something fresh and new every day.